traditional boilers are not suitable for these cold areas. So the cold continuously invades people's lives. These challenging issues are all related to the fan of the boiler. We aim to set an industry precedent by creating a fan with stepless speed regulation. This is a significant challenge. If we were to achieve the hardware functions through software algorithms, things would be easier, but it would be relatively weak to resist external winds. After numerous tests and revisions, we finally chose a constant torque solution for the fan, allowing the fan to auto-adjust and adapt to external changes, achieving stepless speed regulation within the range of 1,500 to 5,000 RPM. Ensures consistent and stable combustion, sufficiently enduring over time.
ProlineS is designed specifically to solve this problem. A DC fan ensures a high degree of environmental adaptability, unafraid of extreme cold, unafraid of strong winds. Even during peak usage time of electricity or gas, it maintains stable combustion. Maintaining heating and hot water in other different conditions. Every part has its own mission to ensure the product reliability and durability to guarantee it truly makes life easier for user in the long run.
In this fast-changing tech world, uncertainty is a frequently used word.
We spent 8 years refining a product, not just to lead the industry, but to challenging conventional thinking and redefine what's possible. Bring warmth and care to every user.
Ensure that ultimate comfort becomes a certainty and inevitability. Creating products that stand the test of time.